Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard reset on an Amazon Echo Studio speaker. In case you're having connection issues or it keeps dropping the connection or just for any other reason that you need to just kind of reset it up on a new device, we can just start the speaker from brand new from the default settings very easily. All you need to do is come in here and press and hold this button and the volume down button and just keep holding it down. And if you keep holding it down, this will go red. This ring light will go red, and keep holding it, and it will go orange, and it will keep holding it. And then you just keep on holding it until eventually the woman's voice will come on and say, resetting systems device. It'll take about a minute. I'll let you know when it's done. And it will, make some other sounds and some music. And then you'll actually see it if you have it paired with a phone or whatever. Then you will get an invitation to pair it with a phone as if it were a new speaker, just like it came out of the box.